Coming to the synchronous generator, um, as I have covered lot of concepts under synchronous generator during my last two sessions, I have covered the construction part and how it is working, the EMF equation, and all the what to say, the regulation and blah blah blah. Many things I have covered under synchronous generator. The very purpose of synchronous generator, can you think about the very purpose, see, synchronous generators are nothing but alternators. I have also told you this in my previous class. Why do we call it as alternators? Very simple. See, the 70% of the electric power generated is from steam, followed by around 20% from hydro. Okay, these two generations are from synchronous generators. Okay, so these are the source for us. So guys, these are the source where we are getting our electrical input to all the electrical appliances for our day-to-day consumption. From where are we getting the electrical energy? Yes, it is arrived from synchronous generator. So synchronous generator is not just an electrical machine, it is more about the generation of electrical energy. It is more about the source. It is the electrical source. It is the electrical source. So when it is the electrical source, then you should know what are the outputs coming from this generators, right? So there are two kinds of powers that you need to know. So one is real power and another is reactive power. So why do we split the power into two? Why do we split it as real and reactive? The very reason being, uh, reactive power is something which is associated with energy storage. So it is associated with what? Inductors and capacitors. Yes. So this energy storage, this inductors and capacitors uh, of part in the electrical circuit is nothing but the coupling coupling purpose or storage purpose we use this. So I have already told you during the starting of the electrical machines, you need a medium to what? To convert your electrical to mechanical, or mechanical to electrical. So your mechanical input in your generator is converted to electrical. Your electrical input in your inductor is converted to mechanical output. Okay, as a fan or pump or whatever. So for this conversion, what is the basic coupling thing happening here? This basic coupling between these two forms of energy is your magnetic coupling. Magnetic coupling. So this magnetic coupling is associated with your reactive power. So there is something called storage. Yes, storage is also happening here. It stores for some time and then transfers. Yes. So you call this inductance and capacitance as also storage devices, electrical storage devices, right? So not just magnetic coils, even capacitances does the same thing. There is energy conversion taking place in your capacitances, and it acts as a coupling medium, right? So this coupling property, this storage property of it, it segregates itself. This type of power segregates itself from the real power, and it is termed as the reactive power, right? It is always in 90-degree out of phase from your real power. What is this real power? This is the actual energy conversion, actual energy converted. This is the energy that we experience. Yes, as the light or air or flow of water or whatever we experiences, it is your real power. Okay, whatever is supporting this reactive power is supporting your what, your real power. Reactive power is supporting your real power. Okay, so and the purpose of real power is the exact output. The necessity that we need is solved by real power. Okay, understand? Yes, but these two are interdependent. What are these two? These two are interdependent, right? Okay, so let me come to the uh, equations part. This is the practical understanding of real and reactive power. So when I come to this equations part, what they have covered, the input mechanical power is the shaft power in the generator, and it is taken as tau applied into omega m, right? The power converted from mechanical to electrical form internally is given by what? Tau induced into omega m. So converted is 3 into A into cos del. Del is the angle between A and IA அப்படின்றாங்க. ஸோ ஒன்றும் இல்லை, இங்கே வந்து என்ன நடக்குதுங்க, பவர் கன்வர்ஷன் நடக்குதா இல்லையா? எஸ், இட் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங். ஜென்ரேட்டரோட பர்பஸ் என்னங்க, மெக்கானிக்கல் டு எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் தானே. ஸோ அந்த எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் வந்து 3 இன்டூ இஏ இன்டூ இது ஒரு ஃபேஸோட வோல்டேஜ் அண்ட் கரண்ட். நீங்கள் ஃபேஸ் ஆர் வோல்டேஜ் கரண்ட் எடுத்துக்கிட்டா 3 இன்டூ ஏ இன்டூ ஐஏ. ஸோ இது எதுக்கு ஈக்குவல் டூவாக இருக்கணுங்க, திஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு த டவ் இன்டியூஸ்ட் இன்டூ ஒமேகா எம் அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் இன் டேர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் யுவர் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ், ரைட்? Right. So the real electric output power of the synchronous generator can be expressed in line and phase quantities. That's what given here, guys. இங்க வந்து அவங்க phase கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நீங்க line voltage, line current வச்சு நீங்க பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு √3 VLIL cos theta வரும். P output வந்து 3 V phase I phase cos theta வரும். Okay, this is nothing but the angle between V and I. அப்போ உங்களோட ரியாக்டிவ் பவர் என்னவா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இங்கே சைனசாய்டல் ஆஃப் த ஆங்கிள் நீங்கள் போட்டிங்கன்னா அது வந்து ரியாக்டிவ் பவராக இருக்கும். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் த பேசிக் டிஃபரன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் யுவர் ரியல் அண்ட் ரியாக்டிவ் பவர். ஒன்று இல்லைன்னா இன்னொன்று இல்லை, both are interdependent, and this is again 90 degree out of phase from your real power. Okay, understand?